morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here two of the latest Series 7 smartwatch. Okay, so we have the i7 Pro and the IWO 68 Pro. So we're going to have a comparison review of these wearables. Okay, so every time that we receive a Series 7 smartwatch, we're going to compare it with the other Series 7 smartwatch here at smartwatchspecifications.com. So always check our other videos regarding this Series 7 wearables. Okay, so again, this is the i7 Pro smartwatch, one of our favorite Series 7 wearable, and we have here the IWO 68 Pro, one of the latest Series 7 smartwatches in the market. Okay, so let's check. Both do have a sporty strap for the body here. See, we have brush finish, but this one, the i7 Pro, do have a much glossy look. Okay, much lighter compared to the IWO 68 Pro. Okay, here's the other side and the display screen, as you can see here. Okay, so let's change the display screen of this one. Okay, let's pick other display. Okay, let me check. Okay, so we can see the bezel here. Now the custom watch face. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Let's pick another one. Okay, this one. Okay. So you see here. Let's change. You see here the bezel. Okay, so the i7 Pro do have a much slimmer bezel, much slimmer crown button here compared to this one, where the IWO 68 Pro that's much thicker. Okay, but in terms of looks, okay, as you can see here, they have a very similar style. At the back here on its cover, the IWO 68 Pro is much more advanced with the wireless charging compared to the i7 Pro that is still using a magnetic charging capability. Okay, so for the menus here, so this one for the i7 Pro, so still support menu, zooming in into its bubble menu. Okay, let's check if we do have a. Okay, so we have different styles here for the menus. We have at least 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's check the 6 palace here. Okay, so we have here the 6 palace. Okay, sort of a window type mode. Okay, oh, that is the WP. We will check the 6 palace. Okay, I like the style of the 6 palace, as you can see here. While for the IWO 68 Pro, okay, let me show you. So this is one of the menus here. There are at least 3 options, I think. Okay, so we have 4 apps, Smart Style, and 9 apps. Okay, 9 apps. Check. So you see here, seems like a list style. Okay, let's change back. Let's go back to the 4 apps. I like the 4 apps because there's a name on it. Okay, very easy to select. I just have to go find. Okay, we were able to change the menus After several tests or checking of the different functions, and we finally found the menu. And as you can see here, we have at least three types of menu here. This one, I think we have at least four. And that's it. For the functions here, let's go first with the i7 Pro for the sports function. Both do have a blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring. We'll check the results later on. We'll try to check the animations, the style in detecting the health, especially for the heart rate. So here for the sports, as you can see here, the i7 Pro do have a much better style in presenting each sport function. So let's check. So this is the result. Let's stop. Sports, let's check the walking or the running, outdoor run. And go. Here we have the treadmill. So where the care, running, go. For the presentation of the results here, I think the IWO 68 Pro do have a much better look here. So that's it for the results. Stop. Let's check for the heart rate. Let's see where's the heart rate here. So this one, and let's play. Let's see. So as you can see here, it's still showing results again. Although that I'm not using it, still it is showing results. So both do have a somewhat like a fake sensor, I think, except for the motion sensor. What else? For the split screen, let's check. So this one. So the difference of these two wearable, I think I like the style of the IWO 68 Pro compared to this one, to the i7 Pro when it comes to split screen. This is the most common style of the split screen for the Series 7. For the IWO 68, it's much more presentable, as you can see here. For the shortcut here, so this one, it shows the shortcut, the settings for the IWO 68, while for the i7 Pro, it shows at least 4 games here. So the bottom part is the settings. Sit here. So almost similar in appearance. Then on the right side, so we have the main menu. On the left side, of course, the split screen, and that's it. So you see the difference between the i7 Pro and the IWO 68 Pro. So let's check other functions here. We have other similarities here. I think the i7 Pro don't have the body temperature monitoring. So So it also supports, I think, Bluetooth call. Okay. Weather, heart rate, blood pressure. We have a calculator here. Do we have a calculator here? Let's see. Calendar, Bluetooth music. We have a calendar. Okay, so we also have a calculator here. Okay. So almost similar in menus here and the different functions. The i7 Pro just don't have the body temperature monitoring. Okay, so that's it for the i7 Pro versus the IWO 68 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these two wearables, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Goodbye.